comply whatever the observation
Yes,
and
my
the
lord.
direction of the
Yes,
Supreme
yes, my
Court
lord.
is.
Yes, my lord.
Right? The list has already been produced.
That is for the expiry, my lord. This list.
I understand the other list is also there. So it can be taken that whoever's name is not there in any of the lists will be not specifically tainted.
My lord, let them publish it. That is the difficulty. My lord, unless it is published, my lord, we will be again.
If out of 10, 6 names are published, it goes on to show that the other 4 are not in the tainted.
My lord, that is that
One way of looking at it.
my lord, but the categorization that who are the
How-
candidates.
Involved with the categorization because you want the names of the candidates not tainted,
Yes.
not specifically
Yes.
tainted to come out.
Yes.
Yes.
They do
Not
not fall in
specifically
any of
found
the
to be tainted.
categories.
They do not fall in any of the categories.
They are
Yes.
not categories.
Yes.
So if
Doesn't
the
have stigma.
category list is there, then the other remains.
Well, other
You
remains,
are
well,
taking them.
well, the commission will not be prejudiced by way of publishing this list.
Also not be prejudiced.
Well, I will be, because later on again the selection process will be changed.
It is
The entire
here.
selection process
It
will
is
again
here.
be changed. Already,
You cannot stop somebody from challenging the process.
of course.
You cannot stop this mess that has happened. You have to try to adjust in this. Right.
Well, but the difficulty.
Order, my lord, I tell you a lot.
My lord, may I be permitted to say, my lord, two things? My lord, yes, may I be permitted? My lord, in this case, the petitioner, he is
Which case? Which case?
that item number 7.
7
he
is over.
No,
Item
just
7 is over.
Just a minute. He is working. He is untainted.
Let her work,
Hmm?
her, him, whoever. There is no particular assertion upon any candidate. What is happening over here is just everybody is making their own submission, and the court has to
That's
come to a
Yes,
right.
yes,
So
I
let me understand.
My lord, let them argue. Then at the end, I will argue.
Your lordship kindly comes to page 46 once. I say why I am pressing this, that these expiry lists should be published in public domain. Why? I will be placing my first. Kindly come to page 46.
I'll hear you on that. You have made your submission. There are other submissions also.
Yes.
You are for publication, and the
Why
persons
is it
against
for
are also there.
publication?
I will hear.
My lord, for publication, why, my lord? Firstly, in paragraph 20 of the Supreme Court judgment, Supreme Court affirms the 17 illegalities made, which have been stated by the Honorable Division Bench.
Yes.
One of the illegalities is, my lord, that appointments given after expiry of tenure. Firstly, this has been affirmed by the Supreme Court. Secondly, my lord, and Supreme Court goes on to say that these are illegalities and tainted. And in paragraph 31, subsequently, all these submissions that there was a stay order, it was not that. The first line is